Usernames on Telegram help others easily find and contact you. However, if you've set your username and no longer use it, you can easily remove it. Let me show you how. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Click on the 3 horizontal lines to access the menu. Then press on the My Profile field. Among the information in your profile, find the username section. Click on it and then on Change Username. Another way is to click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. In the menu, press on Change Username. Delete your current username. Since there isn't an official Delete Username option, this is the only way you can delete your Telegram username. Save changes by clicking on the check mark in the top right corner. And your username has been successfully deleted. For more tutorials, follow our channel.